Exactly 18 years ago, on April the 6th, this party took birth. A month into power this week, BJP celebrated its 18th foundation day as Sankalp Divas in all its state and district head offices. It was a time for oath taking and introspection for the Bharatiya Janata Party at its central office in New Delhi. Addressing his party workers for the first time since he became Prime Minister, Atal Bihari Vajpayee stressed that it was the duty of every worker to share the responsibility of making the BJP led coalition a success.
18 साल की उम्र होने पर वोट का अधिकार मिलता है। हमें तो सरकार चलाने का अवसर मिला है। कारण ये है कि हमारी यात्रा 18 साल से भी पुरानी है।